This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Moro. Beautifully maintained fully furnished end condo in Section 1, close to clubhouse and amenities. Seasonal home for the sellers and recent improvements are new roof installed by association, vinyl plank flooring and dining, kitchen, and hall, newer carpeting in living and master bedroom. New air conditioner system in 2023, new water heater in 2021. Water pipes replaced by association West/PVC piping through attic. FL room has an air conditioner vent, so therefore it is included in total interior square footage. Disappearing screen doors at both exterior openings. Open patio outside master bedroom door is a great place to grill out or just watch nature, as this area overlooks a large green space. Please check out laundry area where the water heater is located. The laundry equipment is maintained by association. Hurry, call now. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Moro at 772-979-1426.